Hello students, now in today's video we will see the formula to find the sum of n terms of an AP. Okay, if small a, the first term of an AP, and d, the common difference, d be the common difference, then sum of n terms of an AP, sum of n terms of an AP denoted by Sn, Sn is nothing but the sum of n terms of an AP. If t1, t2, t3 up to tn are the n terms of an AP, then Sn is equal to t1 plus t2 plus t3 plus t4 ... plus tn, like that, and given by the formula Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula to find sum of n terms of an AP. Okay, just remember this formula. Okay, now we rewrite this given formula as Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2a, we can write as a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, then you will get n upon 2 into bracket a plus, now what about this, a plus n minus 1 into d? This is nothing but r tn. So this is the second formula, Sn is equal to n upon 2, okay, into bracket a plus tn, or we can rewrite this formula as n upon 2 into bracket t1, a means t1 plus tn also. Okay, that means if first term we know, last term we know, and how many numbers are there, that we know. Okay, if all these three terms we can we know, then by using this formula n upon 2 t1 plus tn, we can easily find the Sn. Got this? फर्स्ट नंबर मालूम है, जैसे 1 to 100 के एडिशन अपने को फाइंड करना है. सो फर्स्ट नंबर इज 1, लास्ट नंबर इज 100, and we know how many numbers are there, 100 numbers are there. So by using this formula directly we can find the sum of 100 numbers. Okay, so by using this we'll solve some examples from practice set 3.3. in that first example is like this. So from practice set 3.3, this is the first example. Find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. Okay, so we start solution like this. The even natural numbers are, which are those even natural numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Okay, we don't know 123rd term what will come. This is the first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. Okay, now is an AP with a is equal to 2, d is equal to 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2, and n is equal to, how many numbers are there total? 123 numbers are there. So we have formula for Sn. Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to S123 is equal to 123 upon 2 bracket 2 into 2 plus 123 minus 1 into value for d, it is 2, that is equal to, now this 123 is not divisible by 2, we keep as it is, 123 upon 2 into bracket 2 2s are 4 plus 123 minus, it will be 122 into 2, that is equal to, you will get 123 upon 2 into bracket 4 plus, now 122 into 2 is nothing but 244, that is equal to 123 upon 2 into bracket 248. Just simplify this 248 by 2, so you will get 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, that is equal to 123 into 124. Just find this multiplication and you will get 15,252, and therefore S123 and therefore the sum of first 123 natural numbers are 15,252. In this way you have to solve this first example. Now we'll consider second one. Find the sum of all even natural numbers from 1 to 350. From 1 to 350. This is the range, and in between them we have to find the sum of all even natural numbers. So we start solution like this. The even natural numbers between 1 to 350 are, okay, so first number is 2, then 4, even numbers we have to take, so 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Okay, now we have to consider the even natural numbers between 1 to 350. 350 is also even natural number, okay, agree, but we have to consider here, we have to consider the numbers, even natural numbers between 1 to 350. 1 to 350, so we can't consider this 350, we take the last number as 248. Okay, remember this here in this example. So 2, 4, 6, 8 up to 248 is an AP, with A, that is first term, is equal to 2, D is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, and this is the first term, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, up to 248. We don't know which term is this, so we have to find that term. Okay, कितनी term है ये अपने को मालूम है क्या? नहीं मालूम है, तो अपने को find करना पड़ेगा how many numbers are there. So we consider that term as a Tn is equal to 240. Last number will be 348, not 248, it is 348. Okay, so A is equal to 2, D is equal to 4 minus 2, that is 2, and Tn is equal to 348. This is the last even natural number. So formula for Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So it will be 348 is equal to A, that is 2, plus n minus 1 into D. D is 2. So this 348, this 2 get subtract here, is equal to n minus 1 into 2. So 348 minus 2, that is 346, is equal to n minus 1 into 2. So this 346, this 2 get divided here, is equal to n minus 1. Okay, then 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 1 is left, 2 sevens are 14, 2 threes are 6, and therefore 173, this minus 1 becomes plus 1, is equal to n, and therefore n is equal to 174. So this is the value for n. Okay, now in this case, if you observe here, first number we know, last number we know, and how many numbers are there from 2 to 348, that also we got here. So by using this formula, second formula, Sn is equal to n upon 2 T1 plus Tn, we can easily find this addition. No need to no need to take this first formula. Okay, so since Sn is equal to, it is n upon 2 bracket T1 plus Tn is equal to, or therefore S 174 is equal to 174 upon 2 into bracket T1, that is 2, plus Tn, that is 348, is equal to, now this 174 is simplified by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, so you will get 87 into bracket 350, and this whole multiplication you will get as 30,450, 30,450, and therefore the sum of all even natural numbers from 1 to 350 is 330,450. So in this way we have to use the formula for Sn. Okay, now in next video we'll see some more examples on this same formula.